Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to complete your assignments each week. Step 1 will be to open your browser and go to www.vhlcentral.com. Once you're on that site, you're going to log in with your username and password, and you will see the following page. This will be your activities page, and you will see the due date on the left. But do not click on this start button that is here. Instead of beginning your activities here, we're going to go back to Blackboard and start from there. So on another browser, please log into Blackboard and you will be on the main page of the French 101 website. From here, you're going to scroll down until you get to the unit and lesson page. So for example, Unit 1, Lesson A. You're going to click on this link on the top in order to get to the next page. And here you will see a table. You will begin here. So the first one will be studying vocabulary. So in the Contexte et Prononciation section, you will start with vocabulary of the unit. So click on this first link to go to the pages in your book. Then the following image represents a page where you can listen to the dialogues on the main page and also view the dialogue. So while you listen to them, you can click on each of these buttons, listen to the pronunciation of each of these dialogues, and also view the dialogue. So this will help you better understand how to pronounce the words in your book. When you've practiced this pronunciation, come back to Blackboard, and you're going to click on this last link here, which is the activities link. You will be directed to a page similar to this one. Yours will not have so many blanks under the due dates, but in case it does, what you need to do is on that page, complete all the activities that have a due date. So for example, here you see there's a due date, you need to complete this activity. So any activity on that page with a due date you need to complete. Once you've completed those activities, go back to Blackboard and you're going to start the second row, which is in this case the pronunciation. So you will start the same. You will look at the pages in your book, practice pronouncing, and then get to the last row and complete activities that go with that, with the pronunciation. On the top right, here you see that there is an arrow and it says page 1 of 3, which means that there are more than one pages here. So once you're done completing the activities for pronunciation, you come back to Blackboard and click on this arrow on the top right to go to the next page. As you can see on the left here, there are 3 pages. There's Contexte et Prononciation, Structure, and there's Culture et Roman Photo. So we're going to go to Structure. On the Structure page, you follow exactly the same pattern. You begin with the pages in your book on the left. Here you have a video tutorial. So you're going to click here. You're going to watch the video tutorial. That's going to present that structure, so basically the grammar point. You come back to Blackboard and click on here to complete the activities that go with that tutorial and grammar point. And then once you're done with those activities on VHL Central, you come back to Blackboard, begin the second row from the left to the right. Once you're done with this page, you're going to click here on the right, on this arrow on the top right again, in order to go to page 3, which is Culture and Roman Photo. Here you will watch the video for Roman Photo, and again, it's the same thing, complete the activities. And once you're done with that, you're going to do the Flash Culture, or sometimes it's Panorama. So go to the pages in your book, watch the video tutorial. If there's a map, click on the interactive map, and then go to the last link to complete the activities that go with that row. And once you're done with that, then you go back to Blackboard and you're going to start the unit quiz and assessment. So each unit will have 2 lessons, A and B. Every unit has a deadline, unit lesson has a deadline on a Friday. So Unit 1A will have a deadline on a Friday, Unit 1B will have a deadline on a Friday. And then on the 3rd Friday, you will have a Unit 1 quiz and assessment. So it will be an entire unit quiz and assessment. And once you click on this link up here, you're going to get to this page. You will first complete your quiz. which has 10 questions, and you have 2 attempts. And you will have an assessment activity, which will be submitting a recording or submitting a written essay. The first week you will have an interview with me because I want to get to know you and see what your level is in French. But after the first week, the first unit, you're going to have assessment that you will have to submit yourself. And that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I would love to hear from you, and that's how I get to know you, how I get to know whether you have problems in this class or not. So please don't hesitate to contact me, and or you can also contact your classmates.